Alrighty.
I got the top two on. It's just the bottom two I could not get up to save my life.
Yeah, I got you. I got you.
So I don't know if you got it.
I got what you need, baby. Got what you need.
Got me a whole.
I got what you need, baby.
So we can do it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That jack right there.
That jack will get anything out.
That jack will wear you out. That little toy jack. That bad boy. Oh, be careful. Be careful.
I'm not wearing the clothes for this.
Yeah. Got you, man.
You're GoPro'd up and everything.
Yeah, man. YouTube, man. Handy Danny on YouTube, you know?
That's sick, man.
Yeah, I had to give you a card, man. So my my YouTube is on my card.
I'll take it, man.
Yeah, man. Is that your phone or my phone? Like, somebody blowing up. Blow through it, man.
My man got it done.
Get it up there. Put that back in the toy box, man.
I'll be there.
In the rain, baby. Hey man, all we focus on is customer, sorry about that. All we focus on is customer service, man. You know, if you get a survey.
I'll get a survey?
I said if you get one, that's all I'm looking for, man.
Did you get paid, man?
Huh?
Did you get paid, man?
Do I get paid?
No, did you already get paid?
For this?
Yeah.
Nah.
Not from Progressive?
Nah.
Alright.
They pay me at the end of the week like everybody else.
Okay.
But you know, I like to do it, man. You know, I have fun doing it. Get to meet people.
Yeah.
Get to help people. I think about getting the cape, you know what I mean? Like, superhero out this motherfucker, you know what I mean?
Get you a whole... Got it on there, 20 seconds flat.
20 seconds, baby. I'm gonna even twerk it down for you. Not twerk, but torque. All right.
I got that little doohickey, so it wasn't gonna do nothing for me, my man.
Yeah, I know, man. That right there is a hard time, man.
Got your whole torque wrench and everything.
Yes, sir. Make sure you stay safe.
I've seen them pop off. I used to work at MAG, if you know where that is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen them pop off.
All right, baby. You good?
Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Take that. Put it in the back.
Told you I'd get you out of here fast and longer you've been waiting. You got things to do. I got things to do too.
All right, thank you, man.
All right. Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Just get a signature real fast.
Yes, sir.
I said, man, if you get a survey, let them know, man.
You on that survey.
Yes, sir. I'll give you a,
That took you a whole lot of 4 minutes, man.
Hey, man.
Get that business card.
Yeah. You a homeowner?
I'm a renter.
Renter?
Yeah.
If you know any homeowners you need any work done, I do that too. I do it all, man.
You do it all, man?
I do it all.
All right.
Yes, sir. Check me out on YouTube, though. My name's on there. Yes, sir.